Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today is the fourth lecture of computer. So open your books. Come to page number 13. First of all, write down today's date. In the previous lecture, we have studied about natural and man-made things. As I told you, natural things are those things which are made by Allah. For example, sun, moon, mountains, etc. And man-made things are those things which are made by human beings like mobile, television, fridge, computer, etc. And dear students, do you know what is computer? As I told you, computer is an electronic machine. It has four main parts. So, in today's lecture, we will study about parts of computer. So, come to the whiteboard. So, today our topic is chapter 2, parts of a computer, page number 13 to 15. So, dear students, do you know our body is like a machine? Different parts do different work. Like we use our hands to pick up things, we use our legs to walk and run, we use our eyes to see things, and we use our brain to think. Similarly, likewise, a computer also has different jobs. But first of all, do you know computer has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. So dear students, do you know what is the work of a monitor? Monitor looks like a TV. We can see pictures, movies, cartoons on it. You can see the picture of a monitor which is pasted on the whiteboard. Now come to number 2 point, keyboard. Keyboard has small buttons on it. These are called keys. Do you know what is the work of keyboard, dear students? The work of his keyboard, the keyboard work is we can write letters and numbers with the help of keyboard on a computer. We can also write our names on a monitor with the help of keyboard. Now come to point number 3, CPU. What is CPU? First of all, we have to understand that CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of computer. As we use our brain to think, the monitor is also use CPU to think. All the data are stored in CPU. You can see the picture of CPU which is pasted on the whiteboard. Now come to point number 4, mouse. So what is the work of the mouse? Mouse helps to point things on a computer monitor. You can see the picture of a mouse. With the help of mouse, you can see arrows on a computer screen, on a monitor screen. We use these arrows to open a file. Now come to your computer books. Now we will start our reading. Now come to your books. Chapter 2, parts of a computer. Our body is like a machine. Different parts do different work. We use hands to pick up things, legs to walk and run, eyes to see things, brain to think. Similarly, our computer also has different parts. As I told you, different parts do different work. There are four main parts of a computer, namely monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. This is the monitor, this is keyboard, this is CPU and this is mouse. Now come to page number 14, monitor. A monitor looks like a TV. You can see the picture. It is look like a TV. You can see pictures, alphabets, numbers on a monitor screen as I told you on the whiteboard. This is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of a computer. A computer thinks with its CPU. As we use our brain to think, the computer use its CPU to think. All data are stored in the CPU. Now come to the next point, keyboard. This is keyboard. You can see the keys on this keyboard. Here are alphabet keys. These are called function keys. These are number keys. These are also number keys. This is backspace key. This is enter key. This is shift key. And these are arrow keys. Now we start our reading. Keyboard has small buttons on it. These are called keys. It has alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. With keys you can type alphabets and numbers. As I told you, with the help of keyboard we can write anything on a monitor screen, on a computer, and we also can save these data in a CPU. Now come to page number 15. There is a keyboard given below. Here it is. Color the keys which have letters of your name with red color. Also write your name on the monitor. This is keyboard. Color the keys, which have letters of your names. Then write your names in this monitor. Like if your name is Ali, color Ali with the help of red color and write Ali in this screen. Now come to this point, mouse. This is a computer mouse. Here it is. It has a long wire attached to it. It helps to point things on a computer monitor, as I told you. Hope you understand today's lecture. Do reading from page number 13 to 15. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.